In mensuration, you need to calculate mainly the area, perimeter, volume, etc. of some shapes, and in this video we will learn about the area and perimeter of various shapes. We will begin by triangle. The area of a triangle is half into base into height, and area of a rectangle is length into breadth, and the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. For parallelogram, area of a parallelogram equal to base into height. Trapezium, the area of a trapezium is half into a plus b into height. Half multiplied by addition of the parallel sides multiplied by height, that means the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. Circle, area of a circle is pi r square and the circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference means the total boundary length of the circle is 2 pi r. Sector, from a circle, if we cut only this portion, this is called a sector. If the angle here is theta and the radius of the circle is r, the arc length means this length we express it as s equal to r into theta. And the sector area, that means this area or this area, is half into r square theta, and a condition here is that theta in radian. And what will happen in case of degree? When theta in degree, s equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and area equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. And segment, in a circle, if we cut a portion like that, this portion is called a segment. How to calculate the area of a segment? If this angle is theta and this radius is r, something like that, this is r and this is theta, the area of the segment is half r square theta, area of the whole sector minus half r square sin theta, minus this area. From the whole sector area, if we subtract this area, we will find the segment area. Following this formulae, you have to solve many problems, many mathematical and geometrical problems for doing well in your O level and A level, and also for your practical life situations. These formulae are simply obligatory to know.